Hi guys, Mark Johnseski. This is like, I guess you could say it's an unboxing. Well, it's not really because like it's already out of the box, but it's a new pair of shoes because my shoes, I will own them. Got a new pair of Americas. I haven't opened them. Like, everything's still in there. I got it from CCS. I got, it looks like a poster. I got a giant CCS poster. That one, and then that one. Which I might sample more than that. I'm gonna not show you guys the shoes. No. CCS. Then this is my second pair of these shoes. When they first came out, I got the blue pair, but they would be the Herman G6 Wolf 10.5, as you can see. But yeah, see, I might make a review on these, which are my J2 mid-top G6. I might do a review on these. But yeah, this would be my second pair. I got these ones to be, looks tie-dye almost. I don't know, that looks cool. But yeah guys, that would be the unboxing. We'll see you guys. Peace.